Hello, everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to kick off this presentation. Today, we'll be exploring an interesting topic that I think you'll find valuable. The title of our presentation is Innovative Strategies for Business Growth, with the subtitle Unlocking New Opportunities. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover key strategies, practical tips, and real-world examples that can help your business thrive. So let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the section on meanings. When we talk about a rebel, we're really exploring what that term symbolizes and how it can be interpreted in different contexts. It's not just about defiance, it also embodies a spirit of independence and challenge against norms. Understanding these meanings helps us grasp why rebels often stand out and inspire change. Throughout this presentation, we'll see how these concepts tie into the overall theme of individuality and resistance. So, as we move forward, keep in mind that rebel isn't just a label. It's a reflection of deeper ideas about identity and societal dynamics. Let's talk about Unit 2, which is all about the rebel. So, who exactly is a rebel? Well, a rebel is someone who refuses to accept the authority of the government. Sometimes, they even use force to oppose it. But rebellion isn't just about fighting authority. It can also be about thinking or behaving differently from what society considers normal. You'll notice that the images associated with this theme reinforce the ideas of rebellion and resistance. Overall, this unit helps us understand how rebels challenge authority and norms, which ties into the bigger picture of how individuals and groups express their defiance and seek change. Now, let's take a moment to look at some keywords and their meanings that are important for understanding our overall theme. First, rebel refers to a person who goes against established rules or norms. It's about challenging the status quo. Next, disturbance describes an interruption to a peaceful or set condition, which can happen when rules are broken or expectations are disrupted. Moving on, soberly means doing something in a simple, straightforward manner, without unnecessary fuss. Then we have preference, which is simply a liking for one thing over another, our personal choices. Praising involves speaking nicely about someone or something, often to encourage or acknowledge good qualities. Greet means to welcome someone warmly, starting a positive interaction. And finally, regret is feeling sorry about something that has happened, often accompanied by a wish that it hadn't occurred. All these words connect to our broader discussion about human behavior, communication, and understanding different perspectives. Recognizing these concepts helps us better navigate interactions and respond thoughtfully in various situations.